Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you guys are having such a fab day. Guys, this video today is all about the mystery. This is another one of HMV's $9.99 mystery boxes. This box is a little bigger than the ones I'd had before. If you guys have not seen those videos, check them out in my video list on my YouTube channel. They're really fun. I really enjoy the mystery. So I have two of these mystery boxes, so I'm going to be doing another video probably in the near future. I can't tell you guys when I'm going to do it because you never know how busy you get. But this little box, really cute. This isn't a little box. This is actually quite a big box. This box is $9.99. It's a mystery box. I love the color. Inside these mystery boxes, the minimum retail value is supposed to be £25. It has items from pop culture. They're all licensed merch. They're from TV, video, music, gaming, and much, much more. So you get at least 5 items. I mean, from the last couple of mystery boxes I've done from HMV, you only get 5 items. So don't be going in with the expectation that you're going to get more than 5. The general rule of thumb is you're going to get 5 items in these boxes. So this is our box, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut it open. Make sure it's open. Okay, guys, if you're going to use a knife, please get assistance or help. Okay, so let's go ahead and open our mystery box. Okay, so first thing I see inside our mystery box is a Game of Thrones product. Guys, apparently, so I've got Amazon up. You guys can see I've got Amazon right here. Apparently these items, the value, the £24.99 or do they say £25 worth of value? It's a retail value. They generally go on Amazon prices, so you're not going to get the full value for items like this if you're not on Amazon. So the first item that we have is a Game of Thrones Lannister gift set. It includes a mug, a coaster, and a keychain. That's pretty cute. I like the Lannister. What is the saying? Lannister always pays their debts. I love that. That's definitely a good rule of thumb. Love the lion on the side of the box. Love the Iron Throne. It's so good. So you get a really sturdy red cup. You're getting inside, you're getting the coaster, and you're also getting a keychain. Isn't that what it says? A keychain. So that's a nice, cute first item. So as we go along, I think what we'll do is, because I've got Amazon up, we're going to look up the prices of these items on Amazon. Game of Thrones, Lannister, STR, gift set. Let's see, does Amazon have this gift set? Okay, guys, so this gift set on Amazon, you guys can see, is a recommended retail price of $13.95 plus free delivery, which is pretty awesome. It's the only one. Okay, so we have one. So let's go with the lower end. We have one that's $9.99. I'm totally fine with that because even at the $9.99 price, we've got the value the box cost. So that's pretty awesome. So say £10 for our Lannister gift set. The next item, let's... we have a Harry Potter product. Very, very cool. And this little product is a Harry Potter Premium A5 notebook. It's got 240 line pages. I love the little strap. Let's just have a look and see if we can open this. Okay, I love this book. It's very like a leather type book. Let's see if we can maneuver it. I don't want to rip this in case I put it into a giveaway. Let's go ahead and have a look. It has a nice little elastic strap to keep the paper. I love the design on the front. Not sure who this guy is, but you do have, I know this is so hard to see, you do have writing on the bottom, so it's really nice detail. In the inside of the book, oh wow, is absolutely gorgeous, very spooky. I love that if each page has has a little diagram at the bottom. So that's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and pop that. Actually, let's just leave that outside the pack. Let's go ahead and find out the cost on Amazon of this little book. And guys, if you're ever going to buy this to resell, just always know you're probably going to have to go on the lower end. If you sell these on things like eBay or Facebook, you'll always have to reduce the price a little bit. So I'm going to try and find the lower prices. P-R-E-M-I-E, no, I-U. P-R-E-M-I-U-M. A5 notebook. A5 notebook. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, guys, we do have Harry Potter notebooks. Not that style of notebook, however. I've gone through quite a few. But if we look at this little Harry Potter notebook, it runs along the same lines as the one that we have. Really adorable. A lot of these run for between £8 and £5. So if we kind of say the average price is probably £9, I would go on the lower end of that and probably price this book at around £7. We could probably say that we've got £17 worth of value. And I know that I'm pricing these on a low end. I'm trying to find something else inside this bag. Oh, here we go. If if we price these on the lower end, yeah, definitely I think we've got at least £17 worth of value. The next thing that we have is a little Star Wars keychain. It is of, what are these guys called? Are they stormtroopers? It is a licensed Star Wars product. Let's go ahead and see what we can find on Amazon for that. Star Wars keychain. Okay, let's see what we can find on Amazon. So guys, let's see. I do believe that is a rubberized keychain. So guys, if you actually look at Amazon, we have Darth Vader. I think this is Darth Vader. Definitely don't think this is Kylo Ren. They're probably selling for around $2.99 free delivery, or $1.99. I'm probably going to go that this is $1.99's worth of value. I would probably price it on the lower end. We do have other keychains, but they're slightly better than the one that we've received. So if we go £2 on that, we're talking 17, 18. That's probably, you guys can't even see. You're probably talking around £19 worth of value so far. So we've definitely smashed the value of the box in terms of retail value. So that's pretty awesome. What else do we have? Guys, I think we definitely only got 5 items inside our mystery box, because I can only feel one left. So this is item number 4. This is Ready Player One, and I'm assuming that this is a mini poster. Let's just see if we can. I want to be able to put this back inside again so that if someone does want these, or I put them in a giveaway, that they're in good condition. But we've got this, oh my gosh, if you guys can actually see, we've got this High Five Ready Player One, very retro poster. I don't really rate posters. I don't use them. I don't display them. That one is actually quite nice. And if I can find a picture on Amazon of this in its full glory, I mean, I didn't really put it into its full glory, but if I can find it on Amazon, I will insert it in one of the corners. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to pop this back into the container, or back into the packaging that I got it from, because I don't want to destroy it in case I decide to put this in a giveaway. But I don't really rate these little posters I don't rate these posters in gift boxes or mystery boxes. I just don't think they're worth a ton of money. But let's see if we can find it on Amazon. So it's Ready Ready Player One. High five. Hi. High five mini poster. I don't know if we're going to find this on Amazon. No. Because I'm not really finding many the Ready Player One's mini posters. We'll probably just try and Google that. Ready Player One mini poster. I'll see if we can find it anywhere. Oh gosh, no. So guys, the only thing that I can see, there are many Ready Player One mini posters. I'm not seeing the one that we have anywhere. It's definitely not on Amazon. But these are going for, I mean, there's one on Type Poster and it's $11.92. I definitely don't think it's worth that. I mean, I do think it's probably worth about £2. Oh, guys, okay. So we have a, let's just get into it. We have a, oh, it didn't even show me. Let's just go back a page. Go on. So we do have a High Five Ready Player One. It's a retro style A4 poster. This is, yeah, probably an A4 poster. And they're selling it for £2.50 on eBay. That's probably £2.50 plus free shipping. So say if we go £2 on this item, we're now at £21 worth of value. So we are getting there. And weird. The last item is, so guys, you can see this box is, let me just show you guys, this box is completely empty. This was a humongous box for not a ton of products. We have this, it looks like a placemat, but it is a 3D effect, Avengers Age of Ultron. So it is way back to the Age of Ultron movie. I love this. This is the fight scene. Is pretty cool. I love Thor. Look at Thor move. And the Hulk looks absolutely cool. I don't even know if this effect is coming across for you guys. Hopefully it is. I don't know really. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Whether it's got that kind of rugged feel. There is nothing on the back. It is pure white on the back. I don't know if that is a mouse mat or a placemat, or it's one of those little plates that you put inside a frame. But I'm for the purpose of this video, I'm going to call it a mouse mat. So Avengers Age of Ultron. Guys, if I can't find this on if I can't find this, which I can't find this on Amazon, we will go ahead and try and find it on eBay. Because I'm sure other people have bought this box and some things they don't want and they do place it on eBay. And I'm totally fine with that. But standard price for a mouse mat is around $7.99. I definitely wouldn't pay $7.99 for that. But let's see what we can find. So it's Avengers Age of Ultron. What did you guys think of Age of Ultron? I really, really enjoyed it, but not as much as, definitely not as much of, oh my gosh, it's just gone out of my head, the last Marvel movie. The last Avengers. Civil War? Wasn't Civil War, was it? But I did like Age of Ultron. I thought it was quite good. We're looking for Age of Ultron mouse mat. Because I don't even know if that is a mouse mat or not. I mean, to me, a mouse mat has very... I'm going to take mouse mat out because I really don't think that is. I'm going to do 3D and see what we can get. we're getting a ton of movies. Okay, guys, I'm going to go straight to eBay and see if we can find anything on eBay. So it is Marvel, Avengers, Age of Ultron. What would you guys call that? 3D picture? Let's just see what we can find. I'm going to take out the word picture and just put in 3D. Isn't that what that is? Very 3D moving picture. Guys, I cannot find anything on eBay or Amazon that would even remotely resemble this little picture board. I don't know. I think it's pretty nice. Would I pay any more than £3? I probably wouldn't. That's, you guys probably think I'm being a bit stingy, but I definitely wouldn't pay any more than £3 for this. And to be honest, I mean, I'd probably put this in a frame and give it to one of my nephews because it is really, really cool. I love the movement. It's very fluid. But I definitely wouldn't pay a ton of money for this. But definitely £3. So I think in total, if you really think about it, I do think that we have made our £25 worth. I mean, you guys know that I have priced these all on the lower end. The potential is I could possibly get more for these. I don't even know if I'll sell them. I don't know what I'll do with them, but I mean, some of the things are really cool. I'm a huge Game of Thrones fan, so this will probably stay in my possession. Not a huge Harry Potter fan. So if any of you guys out there like Harry Potter and would like to buy this at a discounted price or any of the other items, let me know in the comments below. I'll happily sell it to you. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please let me know what you thought of this fun HMV 9.99 mystery box. I thought it was fine. I thought it was quite good. I do love a mystery, and why not have a punt for $9.99? I mean, that's really not a lot of money. But if you guys liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, smash that thumbs up for me. It really, really does help me, guys. So anytime you guys like a video of mine, it really, really does support me, and I honestly do appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, hit that little subscribe button. We would love to have you here. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. Everybody take care. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.